Hello and welcome to the Windows Phone 7 Minute. My name is Daniel Egan. In this episode, we're going to dive right in and show you what's really cool about live tiles. There's been a lot of noise lately on Twitter and other places about live tiles for the Windows Phone 7. So I thought I would take a minute to explain to those people that have no idea what live tiles are for the Windows Phone 7 exactly what they're used for and exactly why they're cool. Now, this is your home screen on Windows Phone 7, and these are not icons. Icons like you're used to on other phones are here to the right. You can see all the icons that I have here. And to get something on this front page, you have to pin it. So if I wanted something on here like, I don't know, let's put on iHeartRadio. I just hold down and I could do pin to start. And I hit IMDb there, but it actually pinned iHeartRadio to start. I just tapped the other icon and it showed up. So one of the things that live tiles do is it gives you an instant look on what's going on in your phone. Not only for things like Outlook or messages or how many phone calls you have like you're used to on other phones, but it's also extended to developers to build that type of glanceability into their application. What that means is an application developer can communicate with you outside of the phone without you going into the app, thus driving you into their app. Now, again, as I showed you, they have to like your application enough to pin it to the start page to get this functionality. But it uses a technology called push technology that will push to your phone. There's different ways to do it. It could be a timed sequence, or it can be set up when an event happens on their server, whatever it is. But as you look through your front page, you can really get in an instant what's going on. I've got no phone calls, no messages, and no mail in my Outlook. But if we start scrolling down, you can see the other applications that I have. You can see that I have Hotmail, piece of mail from Hotmail. I have a meeting coming up. You can see I have 6 updates in the marketplace. But as we scroll down to the bottom here, there's a couple applications that are taking advantage of the live tiles, and I have a few of them here. The first one is Flickster. Now, Flickster is going to push out what's the #1 movie at the box office at the current time. That's what they're using this for. So as that changes, they're going to push down another live tile to your phone. So in a glance, you can see what the hot movie is. Pretty cool. You've probably seen this before, the weather app. This one is Weather Bug itself, and Weather Bug is telling me how hot it is where I'm located right now, and you can obviously see that it's night, and that's going to change as the weather changes and other things change. You can see this one right here is showing me stats for .NETDoc.com. Obviously, I'm having a poor day there because there's only 18 visits today. We'll see if we can get that to change, but it's a really quick way to see what's going on with an app without going into the app. You can see AP Mobile is another one. It's going to show pictures of the day, so it's changing when news changes. They're going to show different pictures on there, again, to help give you the information you need to go into your app. Then once you go into the app, you can see a lot more information. But the whole point is to either give you that glanceable forecast of what's going on in an application, or giving you a way to determine if you want to go in the app or not. That's live tiles, and again, it's something that's unique on Windows Phone 7 and something that's really cool to application developers.